Flying a drone near an emergency can have a serious impact on the helicopter like this and the critical care it can provide to somebody. If they're approaching an emergency, it may mean they can't land and have to abort their mission. If they're already on the ground, it could mean they can't take off and get that patient the critical care they need as soon as possible.
I think the most important message for drone users is, as an emergency services provider, we can regularly operate low level, and that means below 400 feet, whether we're transiting or taking off and landing. It could be built-up areas or open countryside, but small drones are incredibly difficult for us to spot. So if you hear a helicopter and it's coming towards you, the safest course of action is for you to land your drone and wait until we've passed.